In north-central Georgia, north-central Henry County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Walton County in north-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, northern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 3:15 County in north-central Georgia, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Redan to College Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations intended include Atlanta, Decatur, Conyers, Monroe, Covington, East Point, Forest Park, College Park, Clarkston, Morrow, Hayfield, Stone Mountain, Avondale Estates, Lake City, Oxford, Lafonia, Porterdale, Walnut Grove, Pine Lake, and Jersey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed. And one call the National Weather Service toll-free on 1-866-7-344-664 as your report at NWS Atlanta.
And it was Billy Eilish, and she wrote a song called It Was
Relative humidity 58%.
Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, south-central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, north-central Henry County in north-central Georgia, Walton County in north-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, northern...
Oh wait, that was on Wacko.
North-central Georgia.
It's too late.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
Actually, wait. Nah.
Per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Decatur, Conyers, Monroe, Covington, East Point, Forest Park, College Park, Clarkston, Morrow, Hayfield, Stone Mountain, Avondale Estates, Lake City, Oxford, Lafonia, Porterdale, Walnut Grove, Pine Lake, and Jersey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.